Hey guys, thank you for coming back to my channel. If you're new here, consider subscribing. Press that notification bell. You'll always be the first to know when I upload a new video. Guys, in yet another video, thank you so much for coming to my channel, coming back to my channel. If you're new, consider subscribing. Press that notification bell. You'll always be the first to know when I upload a new video. And in today's video, we are going to look at the new iPhone Pro Max and iPhone Pro Mini. So recently, see, Apple unveils a new iPhone 13 Pro and iPhone 13 Pro Max. This is the most pro iPhone lineup ever, with the new cameras, hardware, and intelligent display with promotion. This is pushing the boundaries of what is possible in the smartphones. Redesigned inside and outside with the Super Retina XDR display. Promotion featuring an adaptive refresh rate of up to 120 Hz, which makes the experience more faster. iPhone 13 Pro and iPhone 13 Pro Max also include 5G with more bands for better coverage. iPhone 13 Pro and iPhone 13 Pro Max, new storage capacity of 1 TB and the ceramic shield front cover, tougher than any smartphone glass. They will be available in 4 stunning finishes, including graphite, gold, silver, and new cellular blue. The most advanced cameras with the new sensor and lenses for all 3 rear cameras, optimized to work with iOS 15, powered by the new image signal processor ISP in A15 Bionic. The advanced software also unlocks something never before possible on iPhone users can capture sharp, stunning images where objects appear larger than life, magnifying subjects with a minimum focus distance of 2 centimeters, which is actually very good. Then with iPhone 13 Pro and iPhone 13 Pro Max having a telephoto camera with a smart HDR4, users will expect improved color contrast and lightening for subjects, even group shots. iPhone 13 Pro and iPhone 13 Pro Max also offers popular features like Deep Fusion, Apple Pro RAW, and Portrait mode, which with portrait lighting, which gives it a very clear picture. Remember, we said the new iPhone runs iOS 15, which comes with a larger battery, more storage, new A15 Bionic processor, and a small notch, which gives abundance of new camera features. And remember, we also talked about some of the new features of the iPhone is that the battery life of the new iPhone 13 Pro and Pro Max is 1.5 more than the iPhone 12, the iPhone 12 side, which gives us a very big stake at one or the other. Then the iPhone 13 Pro and iPhone 13 Max brings a new cameras and cinematic mode, updated camera system, which is apparent from the new diagonal orientation of the 2 rear cameras, 12 megapixel main camera and a better ultra-wide lens and sensor using the new A15 Bionic, chip. iPhone 13 Pro and iPhone 13 Pro Max will also gain the ability to capture ProRes videos, which is useful for people who are color grade or use editing software like the Final Cut Pro X or Adobe Premiere Pro. The new iPhone X or the new iPhone 13 Pro, 13 Pro Max have a new triple camera system with a better lens and sensor. The telephoto lenses come with 3x optical zoom, which is 1.5 times longer than the iPhone 12. Hope guys you liked the video and you enjoyed something. This is the new This is the new iPhone. This is the new iPhone Pro and iPhone 13 Pro Max that was unveiled by the Apple manufacturing company. Thank you so much for tuning to my channel. Thank you for coming back to my channel. If you're new here, consider subscribing. Press that notification. Put a thumbs up for the video if you feel it's very good. Like, share in the subsection. You'll always be happy and more than happy to get back to you. By the way, don't forget to watch my other videos. See you again.